Need to get the smallest cone. You need to be king of the cone. Alright lad, nice and tight to the cone.
Can't see the cone, man.
I'll guide you. Go on. Jesus lad, you're quite tight to that cone. Holy shit. Really dodgy rings, lad. Thanks for the lift, Rob.
It came all the way from Japan to be our Uber.
Yeah, perfect Uber machine. The advanced system for playing the fields and enjoying your car life. Oh, there's another weird Mitsubishi. Yeah, so we are over in our shed, whatever that means, but we're over in their shed. We're going to move the shell on the dodgy little trolley over the flipped shed because we're going to paint the bottom of it. Some bubble wrap from work. We're going to put it on the chassis legs when it's sitting on the dodgy pallets because we don't want to make shit of the nice sealer job that we did the other day. Some serious fucking birds in the corner.
What type of birds are they?
I don't know, but it's like an episode of David Attenborough in here now. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. That was a weird noise. First time she's seen light in months. Amazing.
Oh, it's so smooth.
Is it though? In a minute. Look at these high quality little tiny fucking caster wheels. It's one dodgy setup. Need to get the smallest cone. You need to be king of the cone. Alright lad, nice and tight to the cone.
Can't see the cone, man.
I'll guide you. Go on. Jesus lad, you're quite tight to that cone. Holy shit. Really dodgy rings, lad. Hang on. There's a drain. Ah. Really slow motion, dodgy rings with the fucking world's tiniest caster wheels. We need the cone, lad. Swap. Here.
On the car, sure.
Real tight to the cone.
Do your own rings.
That's the sound of the jam speed now. Listen to the sound of the jam speed. Jesus lad, real tight to the cone. She's fucking good and tight. In, Jesus. Oh, bollock.
Oh, jeez, you're out.
No, we touched it.
You're disqualified.
Alright. Down some marks, that's the 13-inch Nankangs. Oh no, you're wrecking the cone. The front wheel is rolled off. Look at the fucking state of the wheels. The smaller the better for the rings anyway. The twin cams are wicked underpowered. Try find the smoothest path. Ooh. The last time this came from your shed was with the lads with the Jeep, remember? Yeah. And the legs.
More power, more power! He's gone, he's gone!
She just can't keep her straight. She has some car, some power. She's just steering towards the bush. Jay, she's some twin cam lad. She's some fucking yoke. Look at her go! Mother of Jesus! What size are the wheels? We've two fucking Mount Everest manholes coming up, and the big wheels won't take it, so I'll have to dodge these. Yeah, I know. This is like a serious obstacle course. Wants to drift. It's in a permanent steer from the rear, lad.
Drift like a snake.
Yeah, look at that. Always in a drift state. Oh shit, getting close to that curb. There's a few fucking crevices here. Right, let hit the junction. Drift her out. Oh, let her slide. If the junction's wide, let her slide.
Junction's empty.
Give her plenty. Mangy, is it? You're Mangian. Every single piece of road that looks that's a different colour is a potential hazard. Maybe over here. Those little wheels. And there's also potential hazard. She made it. No, it loves going sideways. Another step in the journey. Oh, hey! The crucial. Oh. Someday they'll probably be in similar states.
This one looks sad for this one.
Now we gotta go back over and get the stands for the spit. So, off on a gigantic adventure again. We're trying to avoid the rain. So, it's been raining on and off today. I don't want that car to get wet. The walk is good, but we don't want to bring a car with us because then we'll have to go and get the car and come back because it's just me and you. For some reason, nobody is around.
Yeah, it's Friday evening and there's nobody around.
Which is usually, it's quite unusual.
Because there's a team of us.
Yeah. Oh, hey! Yeah!
Uber, let's go.
All right! Taxi! Hi, Rob.
Rob's just in the shed and went,
Yeah.
I'm walking.
Thanks, Rob.
We look really professional.
Yeah, we look like we know what we're doing. I don't even know where this pallet truck came from. Yeah, it's gonna have to probably go like... Oh, kinda. Yeah. And then just get the other one and interlock it the other way.
Yeah, you just hold that there a second.
Just about. Yeah, just do the other one in there.
Inside it.
Yeah, and have it kind of hanging. So the other side is just hanging off. Now, there we go. Ah well. Grand evening, Farrers. Just as a grand evening from old Speen. Do you come here often, do you? Good to go. Oh, hello again.
Well,
Check this little spider guy that was living in the car. He just presented himself and fell out of somewhere. I feel like we're going to have spiders in this forever. Even when it's finished, they're going to be fucking crawling out of it. We're not going to kill you. We'll actually just send you on your way. Now you're free. He probably does hate it outside. He probably had a really nice home in here. But that's the start of a new invasion of spiders that I don't want.
will it fit in here?
Ah, it should fit in here. Surely. It's not that fucking long. That's huge.
I don't know. Know him now.
Lifting now, so she is. Ah, yeah. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. She's in. I'll just chop it.